Hey guys, Union Gamer here, and I am so much excited today because I have officially started building my PC. I have started receiving parts for my PC build for 2016. Hell yes, baby! And yeah, guys, I have decided that I will do unboxing video of each one of my parts first, and then at the end I will do my PC build for 2016. And now make sure, guys, it will be a budget edition PC, so don't expect 1080s in 4-way SLIs or something like that crazy shit. It will be a really budget edition PC. I will tell you my budget in the end of the series, definitely, or I can see you guys will be figuring out in the end of the series when I will show you all of my parts, each one of the unboxing video, and all kind of crazy shit. I am so excited since I received my first part for my PC build. And yeah, guys, as you guys can see from the title on it's my PSU. It's Corsair's VS550 watt power supply unit. And let's take at the look of the box first. And yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed that little clip. And let's look at the front of the box and go through a little bit of specifications here. It's Corsair's VS550 watt power supply unit. It is having 85% of power efficiency, 3 years guarantee, and it's having 120 millimeter fan, the standard fan which comes with it. And yeah, and now let's flip over the box and see what are the other specifications we are having in it. And as you guys can see, flipping over the box, we have a whole bunch of knowledge, a whole bunch of stuff going on. And yeah, guys, we have all the adapters, all the cables which come with it, as you guys can see. And right below it we are having its fan chart, like how much noise the fan makes. And the really cool thing about its fan is that it will not make any noise if my system isn't under 50%, if my PSU actually isn't under 50% of load, as you guys can see. And right below it is having its efficiency chart. It's quite bit of efficient, I can say about that. And coming on to the right side, we are having some really physics stuff going on. We are having some AC inputs and outputs. It operates around 200 to 240 watts with 5 ampere of current. And yeah, too much of physics there. And yeah, guys, without wasting any more time, let's do its unboxing. And opening up the box, as we can see, we are having some paperwork, warranty guide, and few bunch of cables, and of course the PSU also inside it. So let's take a quick look about it. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it what you get inside the box. You get 4 screws, um, then you get its power cable, and then you get its adapters and all that stuff which is included in PSU only. And yeah, guys, one thing which I have noticed right now is that the power cord is just not going to fit in the power socket which I am having. It's like the round ones, and while they sent me some, I think it is used in European or in Australian styled power connectors. I will show you like that one, and I use is a round one, so that is a quite bit of issue. While it's not a big deal, I will just get an adapter and it will just work fine with that. But yeah, guys, if you are going for something, if you're going for this PSU, actually you should check out that which adapters you are going to need. And yeah, guys, this PSU costed me almost around around 3,500 rupees or something like that. And yeah, the reason I went with 550 watts because I am not going for any two-way SLI sport or anything like that. I am just going to make a budget edition PC. So what do you guys think? Is 550 watt enough for a budget gaming PC? Let me know in comments down below, and I will put each one of the parts unboxing video and guess which part is going to be next. And make sure to smash that subscribe button so that you don't miss my further PC parts unboxing. And yeah guys, with that said, see you later. रहने दो
मैं
भाई,
उखाड़ता हूँ उसको
भाई
रुक।
रहने दो
P90 versus P90.
चल प्रो 90 और प्रो 90 उसको एक दो कॉल किया